How to use Vodafone Prepaid to Postpaid switch. So it's like really easy. All you need to do is first of all get into your My Vodafone application. Then from here, make sure you're logged into your account, right? So after logging into your account, what are you going to do is simply tap on your prepaid or postpaid plan that you currently have, right? So simply tap on it, and then from there you'll need to now search for a switch to postpaid option, or there could also be the SIM only plans, right? So all you need to do is find that option, then tap on it, then you can select your desired postpaid plan and choose the option to keep my existing number. After doing that, you can complete the checkout by providing your identification and direct debit details for a credit check, and then from there, once you get approved, your service will automatically transition, and any remaining prepaid balance will be credited to your first postpaid bill. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.